Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add subtitles on iMovie on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, just go ahead and launch your iMovie. Once you've launched the application, if you haven't already downloaded it, just go to App Store and you can download it. Simply go ahead and create a new movie or a project right over here. Simply go ahead and import the video that you want to simply go ahead and have a subtitle on and drag it to your timeline. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on this titles tab up over here, and I would recommend you all these lower third fonts that you can go ahead and use. So just drag and drop it to exactly where you want your subtitle to be. You can also move around or just move it, or you could just go ahead and play around with the duration of what the subtitle or like how much of the subtitle you can also simply go ahead and edit your thing by writing it right over here. And also make sure that you play around with the colors so that it is actually visible to the viewers and it's not like, invisible to all your viewers. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.